Hello everyone and welcome to another episode. My name is Koos and I am the Scrambling Dutchman. Well, we parked up at V-Milk and we're going down into the gorge, the upper gorge, to do Tracy's eyes today. And it will be my first WI3 lead. 2 pitches, so it should be nice and easy for us, hopefully. We'll see if I've learned anything over this course. So let's hit the trail and get to the ice climb. Rjukan, Norway. A winter playground carved by ice, shadow and time. In the upper gorge, where the sun barely touches the walls, lies a line that's as beautiful as it's deceptive. Tracy's eyes. Literally, it's been a battle trying to get through. Knee deep in the snow, nearly waist deep here. I got. We should be approaching. Well, look at this gorge, the upper gorge. The bridge is just around the corner. We should be approaching now. I think it's around this bend. I see ice up there. That's good. Here, Tracy's eyes. I can see the road. Bit of snow on it. Yeah. Let's up. Full spirits, we set off, not knowing that we had quite a battle ahead of us. There had been quite a bit of snow, and we were the first team on the road. This meant there was quite a bit of break and trail on the road. A lot of digging out to place your ice grows, and your axes. It literally felt like being a snowplow on the ice road. But the higher we got, the steeper it got. This meant less snow and more ice. About 50 meters up, I decided to set up the belay and bring Kate up. And after Kate joined me on the belay, I continued higher up. I decided to build another belay just before the chimney. And the chimney was definitely going to be my favorite bit. Yeah, trust is a lot more. At the bottom, that's it. All seems to be more wet snow than bloody ice.
Right, before you move off, let me untip and do that.
Hey?
I think you just put the cappuccino and cheesecake ready.
You know it. Ice? You alright? Sorry, Kate. Oh.
And just like that, I topped out on Tracy's ice.
Whew, how awesome was that, guys? My first lead on a WI3. I reckon that chimney at the top was definitely about 3 plus. But, overall, it felt a bit like a ski slope at the bottom. It's clearing the snow away, but the top had some really nice ice, especially in that chimney. You really like that. Yeah, so we're gonna walk off to the top of the road now, but you can descend down there in a gully. Looks a bit steep. We're not really up for that, so we're going up to the road and then walk back to the car park at Vimorg. So yeah, this was absolutely awesome. If you like this adventure, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel unless you've already done that. If you want to get more benefits out of the channel, check out our members area. Also, if you want to help the channel grow, swiped that comment box and awarded some high points so we get higher in the rankings. But now, from VMorg, thank you very much for watching. I hope to get you on the next one.